Generally, cars cannot start. Just 3 reasons. Oil circuit, harmony path. This oil circuit and circuit, those repairmen before. Everything that needs to be repaired has been repaired. They have all been changed too. Then there is only the air path left now. Talk about key road. I doubt it now. There is a problem with one part, and there are a lot of repairmen. Are particularly easy to ignore. Come and see. It's called a carbon tank solenoid valve. Let's take it apart and take a look. It's also very simple to disassemble. Let's unplug it first. Find another tool. Remove the screw below. Twist it counterclockwise. This tool. There are everywhere. A few dollars a piece at a hardware store. Okay, look. The screws are removed. After removing the screws, take it out. Unplug this end of the tube. Take it out of it. Run up the pipe. Unplug this end. Okay, look. The carbon tank solenoid valve is removed. It is actually an electronic valve. Turn on after powering on. The 2 pipes are connected. Turn off after power outage. These 2 tubes are blocked. I doubt it now. It's after a power outage. It's not closed tightly and there is air leakage. Let's give it a try. Did you hear that? Sure enough, it was leaking. That means there's something wrong with it. Now that the cause of the problem has been found, wouldn't it be easy to solve it? Don't rush to change it yet. Save yourself money wasted. Let's squat down. Put it on the ground and knock it twice. Return the valve inside. It's like, in the past, your TV could not receive a channel. You knock it twice. You can receive the channel normally. Come on, let's give it a try. See, no, there is no air leakage anymore. Then let's install it.